When it's time to replace your wiper blades, an authorized dealer can provide you with the right set for your vehicle. And you can install them yourself in just a few minutes. To remove a windshield wiper blade, first raise it off the glass by lifting the wiper arm to the full up position. Press the release button on the blade and lift it up to remove it from the arm. Position the replacement wiper blade above the arm and insert it into the housing until it snaps into place. Now, just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and repeat the process for the other side. To replace the rear wiper blade, carefully lift the rear arm off the glass. Use one hand to grab the wiper arm as close to the wiper blade as possible. With the other hand, push the blade toward the glass to unsnap the pivot pin. Install the replacement wiper blade's pivot pin into the blade holder and press the blade until it snaps into place. Now, just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and installation is complete. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.